Hey everyone, my name is Jim from Mobility Plus, and today I want to show you one of the most popular scooters, the GoGo Super Portable. If you're looking for something that's compact, lightweight, and easy to transport without giving up on performance, this might be the one for you. It supports up to 300 pounds, reaches a top speed of 4.5 miles per hour, and has a total range of up to 10.1 miles on a single charge. That's more than enough for a day out shopping, running errands, or exploring the park. This model is also incredibly portable, just 37.2 inches long, 21.5 inches wide, and only 41.6 pounds with the batteries. So it's easy to lift in and out of your car or store in tight places. One of my favorite features in this model includes the magnetic charger, which means no more fumbling with small plugs or wires. Just snap it into place and you're charging. It's that simple. If you want to test one out or learn more, come visit us at Mobility Plus or give us a call. We'll help you find the perfect fit. Thanks for watching. We're here to help with you have more confidence in transportation. To break down the GoGo Super Portable, lift the yellow lever behind the seat to fold it down, and turn the yellow knob on the battery to detach it. You then lift the yellow lever at the top of the tiller and flip down the lever at the bottom to fold the tiller down. From here, if you're going to transport it, flip the bottom lever back up to secure it at folded position. Now you can roll it with you wherever you would like to go.